Hello and welcome to the very first, in my opinion, short, useful tidbits of musical theory knowledge for everyday living. So, my first ever tip for you is finding key signature. Signature is sharps or flats at the beginning of a song or a section, give you tonic, or show you the tonality of a key. A key signature will only use sharps or only use flats, never both. The most basic key signature is the one you see here. You may be asking yourself, I don't see any sharps or flats at the beginning of this key. Then you would be right, because this key is C major. The thing I ask you to remember is when you see no sharps or flats, think C major. So in this case, the tonic note would be C. Tonic could be found here on the C space, F-A-C-E, or it could be found here below the staff on middle C. Okay, so C major, when you see zero sharps or flats, you're in the key of C. So what happens when you actually have a key signature to deal with? Let's go ahead and use the key signature of one sharp, and I'll just go ahead and copy that, paste it down to bass clef, so we're all in the same key here. All right, so when we have one sharp in the key, that sharp happens on the F line no matter what. So if you're in bass clef or treble clef, that sharp is always going to be F. But F isn't going to be the name of the key. That's just the sharp that you have in the key signature. To find the key, and this is my hot take opinion of the day, the easiest way to find do or tonic of a key is to go up one line or one space from your last sharp if you're in a key of sharps. Now this rule changes if you have flat keys, but in a key where you have all sharps, the last sharp will always be T in that key, and so do would be the next line or space above. And to me, that is the easiest way to find your tonality or your tonic in a key signature. So in this random key signature, it looks very confusing, very hectic, lots of stuff. But I'm not going to worry about any of these sharps. I'm only going to go to the last sharp, which is on the A space, and I'm going to go up one line. Now, how did I know that was the A space? Because in treble clef, when you see a space, which this is, you spell the word face, F-A-C-E, so that's a sharp on the A space. I go up one alphabetical letter from that sharp, so we're in the key of B major, just by going alphabetical order-wise. When you see no sharps or flats, you're in C major. I'm going to go to the last sharp again. I'm going to find the line or space above that sharp. When I'm in a space, I spell the word face, F-A-C-E, so this is a C sharp. I'm just going to go up to the next line, which is D. We're going to talk about flats later. Here's another sharp key. I'm on a G space. This is a little bit tricky in treble clef because the G happens on the space above the staff, but I go up one alphabetical letter from G, that's A.